Hello friends, very good evening to HBMS World. Today we are going with Industrial Bank, that is related to financial bank, and today it is running at 981 rupees 35 paisa, and today it reduced by 25 rupees 55 paisa, that is 2.54%. And as you all know, I am only right now analyzing the Nifty 50 chart, and in this particular HPMS World channel, we are not giving any recommendations. We are just giving the analysis on the basis of price action, support resistance, if any trend line is coming into picture or any chart pattern is there. So this is purely for educational purpose, and this is the disclaimer. And so right now we are start analyzing Industrial Bank. So my analysis always started from the monthly part. So let's see how in monthly it perform. It started around, sorry, it started around 2009, 01 1999, and its highest point is something around, guys, 2041, and it is right now running 50 to 60% below its price. Second highest point is 1831. So these all are the upper end resistance. Third highest point is 1248. This is one of the major resistance, and 983. So this is one of the support. This is second support, 804. See, here you are able to see this part and this part. This is how the support is coming into picture from the spike. So now going towards weekly pattern. I'm just removing this one. And in weekly one, whether we are able to get any, so let me put like that. And in a weekly one, there is a trend line, this trend line. If you see, high chances this trend line will work. So let's wait for tomorrow also. And if I see, there is this trend line. So this trend line they already break. So this is null and void. And right now let's go into the daily chart patterns. And in daily one, guys, this is the pattern is there. Fine. So this is how, this is a dividend giving share also. So last dividend is in 5 rupees. In January its next earning will come into picture, quarterly earning. And let's see hourly chart pattern. So guys, if you see the hourly chart pattern, uh, this trend line is there, right? So let's wait for few days how it perform in hourly one, and if any breakout will come into picture, we will see that one. And now analyze the previous charts which we have already analyzed, and we are going with the daily one. See guys, this is working, break and but come above. So high chances if it will break 2371, it will go to 2327. Hindalco. Hindalco trying to break this zone. So we mark Hindalco today. And if it will break this line, high chances next target is 483. Hero Motocorp. Hmm, Hero Motocorp is on the downside. So for downside we don't have any support. So let's find the Hero Motocorp support if any is there. So might be this support will come from the weekly or monthly part. So guys, I told you it always comes with support and resistance. So its next major support is This one is one of the max major support, 2498. HDFC Life on a daily chart pattern, guys. HDFC Life has formed a cup shape pattern. Let me search cup shaped pattern in stocks. See, a breakout will come from here. So if it will go this and this, so a breakout will come in HDFC Life. HDFC is going on the upper end side. HCL Tech HCL Tech yesterday touches a support but closed above than that, so might be it's a retracement or a confirmation for a downfall. Again here it is also with 1893 to 1717. Eicher Motor, oh guys, Eicher Motor trying to touch this one, this particular support, but going above. Dr. Reddy will definitely break downward. Let's see. So Dr. Reddy I mark. Divis Lab now I am not marking. Divis Lab next target in lower side is, see, this is also one of the support. Coal India, guys, see Coal India how it jumps. Coal India today give 5 rupees 65 paisa. Cipla is also going up. So Britannia trying to break the zone but going up. Bharti Airtel today. Bharti Airtel is shooting up, man. Bharti Airtel. Bajaj Finserv current, unless until Bajaj Finserv goes 1654, it will not go beyond than that. So whenever the change come, a major change of 500 to 1000 rupees might come when it breaks 1654, 550, 544, 16566. So today I am marking these shares. Hindalco, chances of going above. Hero Moto, HDFC Life, cup shape pattern, HDFC I'm marking. Then Dr. Reddy, no, Dr. Reddy I'm not marking today. Coal India I'm marking. Cipla, no. Britannia no. And BPCL still no. Bharti Airtel yes, chances of going above. And Asian Paint, I don't know why I have marked. So these Bharti Airtel, Coal India, HDFC Life, Hindalco I have marked 5 shares. We'll see tomorrow. And this is all about today's analysis. Do let me know what all things I need to add and how is my analysis. Please subscribe to my channel and let me know your thoughts, what of improvements. And that's all, guys. Thank you.